what can we expect more from the next game from Team Buds?
So dahil mas dikit yung laban, mas malakas yung eagerness namin, nalakihan pa yung lamang laban sa kanila. So kahit magkampihan sila or something, focus pa rin kami sa goal.
Sino ba yung nagkakampihan?
Silang lahat!
Silang lahat!
Yes. So
Alright.
mas grabe yung drive namin ngayon. 3 game, Stock and Run, Tic-Tac-Toe, and Scrabble. Hindi natin malalaman kung ano yung mga scores, di ba?
Yes, hindi ka agad.
So 3 agad. So first place.
First place,
Yes!
yan. May
Diba?
message ka pa ba sa ibang team? Gugulatin nyo ba sila?
Wala,
Whatsoever.
good luck and enjoy.
Good luck and enjoy.
Yes.
Alright, thank you
Thank you.
from Team Top Ninja. Say hi, Gwen.
Hi!
Alright, so Sendrosa is currently at second place with 135. So magandang performance ng Sendrosa ngayon. So what can we expect more from Team Sendrosa?
We're always giving our best sa every game. May strategy lagi. Tsaka unity talaga lagi.
Unity, yes.
Yeah,
Perfect. Unity. Tingnan mo ba makukuha niyo yung trophy for this year's Astra Bonanza?
Of course, yun yung goal!
Yes,
Come on,
alright.
champion ngayon.
Yes, I'm
Go
hoping.
Sendosa! Go Sendosa!
Alright. Patingin nga ng snake post, isang snake post from Sendrosa. Ito ba? Alright. And expect mo ba yun yan na mag-end kayo sa second place on this game?
Sa ano ko talaga ay first, pero maganda na po yung second, kaysa naman last, diba?
Alright. Yan, di ba tayo tapos? Ano pang masasabi mo? What can I expect from the next game?
Next game ay hope for the best and gagawin namin yung best talaga.
Alright, sige. Makikita natin yung best ng Team Valiora on the next game. Thank you. Ano pa yung may expect namin from Turdillion?
Well, tulad sa pelikula, di ba yung mga bida parang nagpapatalo muna sa una. But eventually, makakabawi din kami. So, expect that we will be able to overcome all of the games and be able to make it.
Alright. Thank you so much, Joe, and good luck on your
Thank
next
you.
game.
See you on the next game.
Mali! Tama! Hindi, dapat ililipat lang, hindi pagpapalit lang.
Hindi kami nauna kanina, ma'am.
Nandito po yun kanina.
Tama yun.
Tama po kami.
Oo nga, sorry. Ay, alam mo.
Roll BTR!
Round 2!
May napituhan ko ng hindi pa po nakakabalik sa Paris. Tinakbo na siya. Pakiroll niya para ano tayo. Kasi tapos na.
Marco, may video ka, pa-rewind na. NANI?!
Napaka-unfair naman, Phil. Sana next year trash talkan na lang. Baka naman pwede trash talkan.
Block. Go! Go! Ay, wala! Wala!
Hindi, may laman yun eh. Wala.
Go, 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 go! Go, go!
Yan. Oh, panalo na ko eh. Cancel.
Jane, ayusin mo yan. Go, Joe!
Sorry, nagkasabay kami. Hindi, naka-ano ka na eh. Oo, hindi na ka na. Hindi mo nakunan.
Ay, bakit hindi nakunan yan? Hindi ko nakunan, sorry.
Ay, sabay.
Hindi siya sabay. May dalawang tukok.
Oh, hindi. Hindi sabay.
Hindi sabay. Dilaw.
Dilaw. Wala ako.
May kinitao namin. Dilaw.
Anong sasabi mo sa performance today ng Akil John?
Mahusay ang aking mga teammates. Siyempre sa tulong din ni Lord, malalakas kami at the same time. Malalakas yung ka-team ko, malalakas din kami kay Lord. Pinag-pray namin yan. Actually, parang kiniklaim na namin kami na. So, naglalaro na lang kami. Nag-i-enjoy na lang kami ngayon.
Nafe-feel nyo na ba na para sa inyo yung mga games?
Para sa amin ang larong to. Para sa amin to.
Good luck on your games tomorrow.
Good luck
and good
din
luck
and
for...
enjoy. Have fun sa lahat.
Undefeated queen!
Okay, undefeated pala. Relax lang.
Let's go, Ashman!
In 5, 4, 3, 2.
Ano masasabi mo doon, Captain? Mukhang may pag-asa ata tayo.
Meron tayong pag-asa this year, no? Magagaling yung players ko and I have complete trust in them na this year would be better for us, no? Sabi ko sa kanila, okay lang if we don't get the win, basta wag lang kami last place, yun lang. And so far naman everything's going well for us. So,
True, yeah. Nakikita ko ngayon. Mukhang may chance talaga kayo.
yes.
Congratulations and good luck for games
Yes.
tomorrow.
Thank you, Marco.
Isa namang snake dance dyan.
Yun yung motivations ng ano ko, ng team.
Yan.
Okay, thank you, Marco.
Thank you. Bon, anong masasabi mo sa performance ng team mo today?
Well, aside from yung tug of war na sobrang hirap, medyo nakaangat kami ngayon. Tied for second place with Sendrosa. Well, first place is Aquildron and then last is Valiora. So, happy with the performance of the team. And hopefully tomorrow we can, makabawi sa mga natitirang games. Especially yung river crossing kasi champion kami doon.
Message sa ibang team.
We're still the one to beat, yes, I think. Pero aminin ko, medyo malakas talaga yung Aquildron. Good luck Aquildron and good luck to all the teams and just enjoy the games.
Thank you, Bon. See you the next game.
Basta kung ano yung na-transfer, yun na yun. Bawal na yan. Okay, 4.58.
Nice job, Balyora. Nice.
Ay, ang galing ni 30. Congrats. Gusto ko yung effort na ganun.
Parang sarcastic.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up.
Do you feel any pressure, sir, about your team or for your team?
Actually, yes. Kasi very minimal yung lead namin. So, I think we need to do our best para mapataas pa yung lead namin.
Yes, and ang next game natin is Giant Volleyball and River Crossing. Do you have plans or may nakapag-strategize na ba kayo for the next 2 days?
Napag-strategize naman kami.
Alright, so thank you, Sir Carlo, and good luck on your next game.
Thank you.
How do you feel today about the games?
We're very energetic and excited sa game na to, especially running games, ang mga next games, which is nandun ang advantage yung Cadillion. And I think good yung strategy namin this year na 3 cups per sub since medyo nakapagod yung game. So, kayang habulin yung first place.
Yes, I think nadadaan yung strategy. Alright, good luck on your next game, Captain Sherwin, sa Team Makildon. So how do you feel about the game?
Feel good, no? Kahit small margin lang, basta may lamang, we'll take it. Kaya, yun, push lang lagi.
Yes, and nakikita ko naman na may chance pa yung team nyo since mataas yung overall score. So, what can we expect sa next game, which is yung River Crossing from Team Sendrosa?
Ako, when nakikita ko sa team namin, no? Basta kahit involved ng technique yung laro, kayang-kaya namin, very competitive kami. So, very confident kami going into the other games.
Alright, thank you. Mukhang abangan natin yun, sir, sa event. Alright, good luck on your next game. Hey guys, I'm with Balds from Team Balyora. Kadatapos lang ng water relay activity, and so far I think sila yung leading sa pag-uwiin ng score. So, ano yung pakiramdam, sir, na parang may chance tayo?
Na-overwhelm kami kasi dapat talaga makadalawang panalo kami ng games para makahabol sa
Sakildron.
So, ilalabas na namin yung best namin para sa last na game na inaasahan namin.
Alright. Thank you, Sir Balds. Good luck on your next game.
Arriba, arriba, arriba! Go fight with Aquino! Off that, go!
Hubad! Louie, hubad!
Sila yung nag-champion or nanalo sa game na to. So, what do you feel about that?
Congrats sa team namin, una sa lahat. Tapos, ang ganda ng strategy namin kasi alternate kami ng boys and girls. So, good job.
Alright. Wait. So,
Sa ibang
mukhang didikit yung score nyo eh.
Yes.
Next game ay Giant Volleyball. Do you
ang
think
ganda ng
makukuha
team
nyo na to?
namin. Sana makuha namin yung giant volleyball.
Alright, congratulations. And see you on next game. Hey guys, I'm with Majoy from Team Sendrosa. Katatapos lang ng river crossing. They still have one game left to play in Giant Volleyball. And what can we expect from Team Sendrosa for the last game?
Gagalingan namin sa
Gagalingan.
last game.
Alright, nakapag-strategize ba kayo?
Oo, nakapag-strategize na kami.
Alright, okay. May iba ka pa bang gustong sabihin for your team to say good luck to them?
Wala lang. Laban lang hanggang sa matapos.
Yes.
Ano pa rin, peaceful and
Peaceful and calm. Alright. Thank you,
Ganun na si
Majoy.
Rosa.
Yan, yan. Isa pang post. Alright. Thank you. This game isn't over yet. They still have one game to play, which is in Giant Volleyball. So what can we expect from for the last game from Aquilian?
Actually, so for us currently yung pressure, iba yung level ngayon. Alam mo yung nakakaba, nakaka-excite, na nakakagigil lahat. Kasi tingin ko what makes this Astra Bonanza special this year iba ang gigil ng lahat ng member. As in from member 1 up to member 9. Iba yung gigil nila. And meron mga kanya-kanyang strength and weaknesses. Now, for Aquildron, tingin ko, they're doing very, very good. And yung competitive spirit nila, actually, sila yung nagiging source of, strength ko, kumbaga. Akala nila, binibigyan nila ako ng strength. Pero actually, lahat, kinukuha ko yung strength nila kasi sila yung sandalan ko. So, for Aquildron, guys, kahit anong mangyari, love na love ko kayo. Kasi iba yung na-create natin na bonding. More than medals and trophies. Ano na lang yun bonus na lang. Pero yung friendship, ibang level yung na-create natin. Yung loyalty, hindi ako nagbibiro. Yung loyalty, yung love sa isa't isa, yung teamwork, ibang klase yun. Guys, magiging sa atin to. Magiging winner to in Jesus' name. Inaangat ko na kay Lord, magiging sa atin to. Season natin to. Season of friendship, season natin to win this game, everything. So, watch out.
Hey guys, I'm with Chino from Team Tradelion. Yesterday, they started very rough and right now, mukhang nakabawi sila and leading the score for the Astra Bonanza. So, how do you feel about that na mukhang magbabago ang
It was surprising, but of course we just focused. We just kept our focus. We didn't focus on anyone else's efforts. And most importantly, we just focused on having fun.
Yeah, I see that. You guys are having fun.
Yeah.
Good luck on your next game sa Giant Volleyball and hopefully good results.
Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm with Ali from Team Valiora. So kahapon, they were struggling at last and right now, it seems like parang kaya nilang makuha ang trophy this year.
Oh my God!
How do you feel about that na may chance kayong manalo for this last game?
Super unexpected kasi kahapon nagsistruggle na talaga kami. Ganyan-ganyan kung kami, lagi kami 4th place. Wala kaming standing na first place. Tapos ngayon, humabol kami ng 2 game na first place yung standing namin. Just nag-rank na kami ng 2nd place as of now. And then, we are claiming na masukit namin yung first place ng volleyball para champion na! Yay!
God.
Pero ang prayers lang namin ay no injuries and safe na paglalaro.
Any good luck or any message for your team for the final game?
Galingan natin! Actually, hindi lang sa team ko, sa lahat. Galingan natin. Yan.
Alright, okay. Thank you, Ali, and good luck on your next game. Okay.
All I do is win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make 'em say that.
Ready, set,
Okay. Steady.
Fighter tayo sa likod.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up.
Nasaan yung ano mo? Nasaan yung inhaler? Grabe inhaler mo. Inhaler.
Nice day, nice day, nice day.
Inhaler.
Sorry, Joe.
It's okay, it's okay. Relax. Relax lang. Ano na kayo? Relax lang, relax lang.
Congratulations. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of your team.
Nawawala yung inhaler ko.
Yung inhaler ni Ed, pero huminga ka muna.
The plot twist. The plot twist.
Oo, ako umiiyak. Maganda yung moment.
Team Balyona, can I interview you?
Interview!
Ikaw na next.
Doon kami sa
Dito na, dito.
Nakakaya mo na yan.
Team Balyona, congratulations! Oh my God! Grabe! Parinig ng cheer! Parinig ng cheer! Parinig ng cheer!
Okay, next year, wag lasingin.
This year's winner will receive a trophy of excellence, assured medal, certificate, 15,000 pesos cash prize. Once again, congratulations to this year's champion, Asa Bonanza 2025, the strong and clear, Mariona!
Cheer! Pata na lang, dalawa-dalawa tapapatan.
Okay, once again guys, congratulations to our 2025 Astra Bonanza champion, Team Balyona!
Happy birthday to Balyona! Balyona! Balyona!
Yan ang medal.
Ay, taas yung medal. Yan, yan.
Uy, parang totoo to.
Tapos bigla kami nag-isip pa, nag-init pa pala.
Pinaiiyak ko na naman ako. Guys! Medal. Paris, pati ka ng medal. Game na! Yay! Cheer! 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 Team Balyona, yung long cheer!
Yeah, you could be the greatest, you could be the best, you could be the King Kong banging on your chest, you could be beat the world, you could beat the war. You could talk like